We are each born with instincts. And as we travel through life, we develop habits, behaviours and beliefs through our associations, our families, and the environments we live in. During our very early years, we develop certain core beliefs. Core beliefs impact the ways we think, feel, and behave. They influence everything we do and the decisions we make. They sound terrible and include ego, envy, laziness, deceit, perfection, selfishness, greed, anxiety. Our core beliefs are like a little motor inside our body. Let's call it Hairy Harry. It represents our subconscious mind. It is your own personal magic genie, your obedient servant. Your Hairy Harry has a perfect memory. It remembers everything you see, hear, do, and say. It works 24/7. It controls all your body functions. If it stops, you're dead. It sees everything crystal clear. It is programmed to ensure your survival. Hairy Harry responds automatically to what has been learnt from repetition and/or emotional impact. It is 100% gullible and accepts as fact whatever is recorded in your mind. It works on whatever you believe. It takes no new initiatives, however, it can be programmed and reprogrammed with new habits. Hairy Harry is 100% goal-striving by nature, and the goals based are set on our thoughts. Your Hairy Harry always performs within the limits you set and depends upon how big or small you think. Hairy Harry is your totally obedient servant. It will follow exactly what you program it to do. So you are responsible for your choices, for you are totally free to choose the life you wish to lead and success you wish to enjoy, and the way you program your little magic genie. To continually seek excellence, to become the best of which you are capable, and to live the purpose for which you are born to live, you will need to continually reprogram your Hairy Harry and override your core beliefs for abundance. Design your own good life before someone else designs it for you.